What the hell are you doing?
Dead bird.
What's that?
What?
What's a dead bird?
Are you serious?
What does that mean?
Well, it's a bird that's dead.
Oh. So you mean an actual bird that's dead?
Yeah. What did you think I meant?
I thought it was like code for something.
What could dead bird possibly be code for?
I don't know. I don't listen to rap music. Huh. An actual live dead bird.
What?
You know what I mean.
What do you think happened?
Stroke?
Seriously?
Yeah, birds stroke out all the time.
Do you have any facts to back that up?
Not a one.
I don't think I've ever seen a bird die of natural causes.
I had a fish have a stroke once.
Really?
Yeah. I thought he was dead and I went to flush him and he started swimming again.
Seriously?
Yeah, he kind of swam on one side. He got a gray face. It was really weird.
How long did it live?
2 years.
What should we do?
I guess we should bury it.
A bird?
Well, yeah.
Do birds need burials?
I don't think they need them, but I feel like we should do something.
I don't want to touch it.
Here.
You just carry around a white plastic bag?
Yeah, doesn't everybody?
No. Oh, son of a bitch! Whoa!